We've been having some grinding noises in our bearings. This one we've had apart and the bearing has come apart. We're going to take off the tire and the knuckle and put a new bearing in it. Right there. Trying to pull it out again. Let's take this off because we don't fucking need that on. Makes it go back in easier, that's all. Yeah. You should come right out. I don't see this being like a car. Being all seized. Make a pop noise. It should. It should make one loud bang. There she goes. Yeah, we're good. We are good. Got to make sure it's going in straight. Mm-hmm. And they usually never start straight. Let it sit for a second. And then we go get our C-clip.
Let it rest. This one might not work. Because I mean, I'll wind up being coming back for another one in another couple of weeks.
That's okay. Boom. That's it. We're batting 1,000 today. 180. 180.